Hello, this is CJ. I'm going to present for our group project, uh, part three. And for part three, uh, first we uh, created the user profile, relay on the user search method. So as usual, I can run my web program. Uh, so it's running, and just log out first. And, gonna log in as a user called dom@gmail.com, and we get bring to the user page, and under user page. First, I'm gonna show how to search a user. So just simply enter the user ID. It's also their email, and click search. It's gonna pop out the user information, and for there's hyperlink to bring you to another page, uh, which if you click on that, it's gonna bring you to a new page. So it's gonna list all the user details like their address, the name, and the ID. If you click back to the search page, it's just gonna go back to the search page, and you can search another user here again. And how it works is under user search page. I build a uh, hyperlink to throw out a request for user profile and pass a parameter called for a called user email, and it just reference to the current user email. We have searched for the page. We have searched for the user, and it's gonna go to the servlet user profile and call the user profile method, and it's gonna direct locate that method, and in that method we just assign an email to the email that we passed in from previously user was searched, uh, and then we set user equal to get user, which it can locate it at user DAO, and at that method we can select where the user uh, select under the user form in our database where the email is equal to the email we passed in, and then it's gonna record all this information and pass back the user that we searched for to the user profile, and we set attribute to the user uh, from this user variable to the user, and we set a dispatcher and forward to the page of the user profile.jsp to have it displayed. Then second feature is similarly a search NFT. So you go under search NFT at the user page, and you can just type in the keywords like big and hit search, and it's gonna display the all the uh NFT name that have the keywords big, and you can see in NFT ID here. You can click on either of the ID, and after you click on it, it's just gonna bring you to the new page of the for the details of these NFTs. Like it includes all the names, direct descriptions, URL, and also their creators and owners. And you can click that link to go back to search to issue another search, and that's basically how it works. And it works similarly as the user profile. So when I'm at the search page, it also passes a request to the control servlet called NFT profile, and it's gonna switch to the case NFT profile and locate it in control sublet and just kind of set the ID is equal to the ID that we pass through, which is the ID of the NFT we searched for. The actually set a check ID to make sure that ID entered we have a certain ID in the database. If that check pass is just gonna print true, it's gonna do the stuff inside the if function. Um, and we set the NFT DAO. Set the NFT equal to NFT DAO dot get NFT, and we pass in the parameter ID, which is similar to the user one. Just it's searching for the NFT ID inside the NFT table and pass back the all the informations, all the elements that inside that NFTs and pass back to the control sublet, and we just set a dispatcher and get it forward to a new page. And the next, I've implemented another new function called NFT created. So you can see on the uh, user page, and there's a new option called NFT created, and you just simply click on that function, and it's gonna bring you the uh, page of the NFT owned by the current user. How it works is under activity page, which is user page. We just passed a request for mind list. It's just go into the control sublet and get the option of the mind list, and in mind list, we set the current user as a parameter, and uh, we create a list of NFTs and call the mind list uh, function at empty house, and we pass out the current list as a current user as a parameter to that function, and it's just gonna call a SQL function called we select everything from an NFT table and where the creator is equal to the current user, and just pass back all the elements. Uh, Actually, it's a array, and it gonna if there's more than one result, it's just gonna store everything into that list and pass the list back to the uh, control sublet, and uh, we set everything in the list to the attribute, which is list NFT, and have it displayed out through the web page. And that's basically it for my part. And after for the next two of the requirements, my partner gonna present them. Thank you.